Hello, in today's video we are going to be talking about food depths in poultry and their importance. Now, food depth is a biosecurity measure used to disinfect the feed, particularly when entering or leaving a poultry house or farm. So these are some benefits of food depths. Food depths aid in disease prevention. Now, they help prevent the spread of diseases such as avian influenza or Newcastle disease between birds and farms. Food tips also aid in biosecurity. They are an essential component of biosecurity protocols, reducing the risk of disease transmission. Now, they also reduce contamination, so they help reduce the risk of contamination of the poultry house or farm with pathogens. Food tips are also essential in the protection of human health. They protect human health by reducing the risk of zoonotic disease transmission. Don't forget to get a food dip in your farm today.